Saturday. I'm not used to catching a train. I was out watering the garden and I heard train horns off in the distance, and sure enough. Northbound, I guess it's CA-11. I'm used to them on a Saturday. I don't know. Anyway, it's a train. I haven't caught a train in a while. They changed their schedule so they start later and pass later. Yeah, it's just a short train. Over now.